playing Don't Touch My Chainsaw by Spooky. Don't touch my chainsaw, don't touch my belly. I don't want you to me like I did Celeste. This is a pizza, you're gonna have to die. Start writing your farewells and saying your goodbyes. This is a handle, put it in this sample. This is a single dude. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is my friend who's getting bloody. This is a death day. I think I forget it. This is over. This is a coffin. This is a time. This is a soul. This is a sandwich. And this is a mouthful. Put you in my freezer. You into a Klondike bar. I know where you're going, so you are going far. Ordered you to pieces and I hit you with my car. If you somehow live, I know this song will leave you scarred. Just a reminder, don't touch my pizza, or just regret it like it didn't beat ya. But the loser, it is at his hand. But he's doing it at 1 a.m. He's in the handle, but it is in the samples. But it is in the gold. It is in dude. It is in the buddy. But it is in the Graham Cuddy. It is in from my first getting bloody. This is a prize, man. This is a be alright. This is the right side. And this is a food fight. This is kidding. This is like a noob. It is a good clips, I'm putting them on YouTube. And in my freezer, and you into a Klondike bar. I don't know where you're going, but you aren't going far. Litter you to pieces once I hit you with my car. If you somehow live, I know this song will leave you scarred.